Where did he go? Guys, where did he go?
I don't know.
He's not down the hall. Check this way. He wasn't down the hall that way. Check in here. Go, David. Go. Go help her. Go help her. Uh-oh. Go check in the bathroom. Come on.
The bathroom. Lydia. Lydia. You go first. You go first. Daddy? Daddy?
Oh. Where'd he go, guys?
Oh no. I have a bad feeling. Very bad. I have a bad feeling about this. I'm shaking. I'm very quaky. Where'd Daddy go?
I don't know.
Uh-oh.
He's sneaking around, I think.
Gotta go try again.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh. You go first this time. Daddy. Come out, come out. Daddy.